What's the most worn, yet least considered item of a man's wardrobe? Of course, his underwear. Hi, we are Job, Wouter and Nick, founders of Adam, an overachieving underwear brand from Amsterdam, focused on responsible future fabrics. And we take every little thing into consideration.
We believe planet Earth is our paradise, so we're doing everything we can to keep it that way.
It's why we're going absolutely bananas. But before we go into fruits, let's take a look at how we put a lot of thought into a lot of things.
Our Adam boxers are produced with 100% GOTS organic cotton. GOTS controls the entire supply chain from plant to product to people. And it's the highest possible standard in organic cotton. It's 90% rain-fed, restricts the use of chemicals and pesticides, and treats everyone involved fairly. Certified by GOTS, we believe all other features should be just as radical. So let's talk fit, shape and color. While most boxers are made from 3 or 5 panels, ours is constructed from 7 panels for a perfect fit. Stitched together with the so-called flat lock stitches, make them feel like second skin and grant your body the shape it deserves. Durability is crucial to our boxers. It's why we always yarn dye the cotton fibre. This technique gives each boxer a deep solid color that doesn't fade over time. Next to these product features, we work with Green Story to make all our underwear carbon neutral. Through a life cycle assessment, Green Story calculates and offsets the impact of each boxer.
Creating our boxers and holding ourselves accountable for production is one thing. Getting them on as many butts as possible is a different ballgame. But through rather extraordinary marketing and sales, we are now available in over 600 stores across Europe, selling over 1 million boxers to date. Since 2017, we have multiplied our revenue by 11 and experienced an average growth of 59%.
Now, our business, beliefs and certifications are a good start, but being one of the best in an industry that is one of the worst doesn't make sense. Our goal is to not use any more virgin resources.
So, Adam is going bananas.
Yes, we're making boxers from agricultural waste, or from banana plants to be exact. After learning 114 million metric ton of banana waste is being disposed of each year, we knew this waste should be turned into our boxers. The extracted fibers are super soft, strong and lightweight. Using zero land, water, chemicals and energy, it's more responsible than organic cotton will ever be.
Research and development is in full swing, but we need your help to speed up the process so our first banana boxer can still hit the shelves this year. The funding will also assist us to keep growing gradually in European markets. Just like every aspect of our boxer, our growth needs to remain responsible but profitable.
Investing in Adam means investing in our future and helping the planet remain in paradise.
So, become a shareholder of Adam and let's make the world go bananas.